Tired of hunting through Elementor panels just to add a simple shortcode? Master the exact click path and place any shortcode in under 2 minutes. We'll walk through each click, from opening the right page to placing the shortcode block and saving your layout. No guesswork, just the exact steps. First, go ahead and edit the home page using Elementor, so you're working right in the builder. Then, click on the highlight option to select the element you want to work with. Now, click on General to open the General settings. Then, click on General again to continue through the options. Next, click on Shortcode from the available choices. Then, click on Enter your shortcode to type in your code. After that, click on Advanced. Now, click on Update Changes to Page, and then click on Apply. Finally, click on Layout, and that's it. Happy building! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.